Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn daily use English sentence. Let's start. मी बोलू शकतो in English. I can speak. I can speak. कॅनचं मराठीत मीनिंग होतो शकतो, शकते, शकतात. तू जाऊ शकतोस in English. You can go. You can go. मी काय करू शकतो in English. What can I do? What can I do? तो काहीही करू शकतो in English. He can do anything. He can do anything. मी तुला कशी मदत करू शकतो in English. How can I help you? How can I help you? तो कुठल्याही क्षणी येऊ शकतो in English. He can come at any moment. He can come at any moment. ही बातमी खरी असू शकते का in English. This news can be true. This news can be true. तू हे स्वतः करू शकतोस in English. You can do this yourself. You can do this yourself. मी राहुलशी बोलू शकतो का in English. Can I speak to Rahul please? Can I speak to Rahul please? Can I speak with Rahul please? Can I speak with Rahul please? आपण हे एका दिवसात करू शकतो का in English. Can we do this in one day? Can we do this in one day? मी हे करू शकतो in English. I can do this. I can do this. तुम्ही उद्यापर्यंत वाट पाहू शकता का in English. Can you wait until tomorrow? Can you wait until tomorrow? मी तुला याबद्दल सांगू शकतो in English. I can tell you about this. I can tell you about this. तू मला या नंबरवर फोन करू शकतोस in English. You can phone me on this number. You can phone me on this number. तो घरी असू शकतो in English. He can be at home. He can be at home. मी तुला मदत करू शकतो in English. I can help you. I can help you. मी तुझ्यासाठी काय करू शकते in English. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? तू हे पुस्तक घरी नेऊ शकतोस in English. You can take this book home. You can take this book home. हे कोण करू शकतो in English. Who can do this? Who can do this? तू तुझा श्वास किती वेळ रोखून धरू शकतोस in English. How long can you hold your breath? तो 5 भाषा बोलू शकतो in English. He can speak 5 languages. He can speak 5 languages. मी ही पेटी उचलू शकतो in English. I can lift this box. I can lift this box. मला फक्त शांत खोलीतच झोप येते in English. I can only sleep in a quiet room. I can only sleep in a quiet room. तू कोणते वाद्य वाजवू शकतोस in English. Which instrument can you play? Which instrument can you play? तू पोहायला जाऊ शकतोस पण 7च्या आधी परत ये in English. You can go swimming but get back before 7. You can go swimming but get back before 7. मी हा प्रसंग कधी विसरू शकत नाही in English. I can never forget this occasion. मी ही जबाबदारी स्वीकारू शकत नाही in English. I cannot accept this responsibility. I cannot accept this responsibility. त्याला इंग्रजीत बोलता येत नाही in English. He cannot speak in English. He cannot speak in English. He can't speak in English. मी त्याला ओळखू शकत नाही in English. I cannot recognize him. I cannot recognize him. मला तुझा आवाज ऐकू येत नाही आहे मोठ्याने बोल in English. I can't hear your voice. I can't hear your voice. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. हे का केलं जाऊ शकत नाही in English. Why can't this be done? Why can't this be done? आता काय केलं जाऊ शकतं in English. What can be done now? What can be done now? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.